This indexable feed mill, called the NAN mill, goes down to 5/16 of an inch in diameter, 2 flute effective. Now, what's interesting about this design, this is a triangular shaped insert. You notice that the insert...
This is an enlarged version.
Yeah, this is an enlarged version to kind of give you an idea of the design. This triangular shaped insert has a trapezoidal faceted design on top of the insert that simply allows the screw to dovetail the insert into the pocket. So most of the time you would see a insert screw go through the center of the carbide to clamp it in place. In this case, it would make the carbide too weak. So with this design, it's a lot more user-friendly than having to back the screw completely out of the cutter body to index the insert. You simply loosen the screw, and on the wrench that comes with the product, it's got a magnet on it. And so the magnet allows you to pull the insert out of the pocket, and you simply rotate it to a new, fresh cutting edge. And what's nice about this product is the fact that you have a cost per edge advantage over a solid tool.
Sounds pretty useful.
It's saving the company money. Think about this. I wear that edge out, I index it, I get 2 more cutting edges. You wear out a solid carbide feed mill, you're not going to regrind it because the geometry on the end is too complicated. You're going to toss it.